Hey everyone, I am Lily, and today we are diving deep into a topic that could fundamentally change how you approach personal growth. Ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly transform their lives, while others stay stuck, dreaming of what could be? What if I told you there is a universal pattern, an invisible blueprint behind every major life transformation that almost nobody is openly talking about? Stick around, because we are going to break down this pattern, inspired by incredible thinkers like Mel Robbins, and show you exactly how to apply it to your life right now. Segment 1: The Invisible Gap. So, what is this hidden pattern? It all starts with something I call the invisible gap. Imagine your life right now, where you are, what you are doing, who you are being. Now, imagine where you want to be, that dream job, that healthier body, that thriving relationship, that sense of peace. The space between your current reality and your desired future, that is the invisible gap. Most people recognize they have a gap, but they immediately jump to asking how. How do I lose weight? How do I start a business? How do I find love? But the real power, the first step in this pattern, is not in figuring out a how yet. It is in clearly and honestly defining what that gap actually looks like. What specifically you want to transform. What does the other side of that gap truly feel like, look like, sound like? When you stay vague, the gap stays blurry, and you cannot hit a target you cannot see. Have you ever felt this invisible gap in your own life? Let me know in the comments below. Segment 2: Clarity over comfort. Once you acknowledge the gap, the next part of the pattern is about embracing clarity over comfort. Your brain, by design, loves comfort and certainty. Transformation, by its very nature, is uncomfortable and uncertain. And this is why we often get stuck. We know we want change, but we lack the crystal clear vision of what that change entails. If you do not know exactly what you are transforming into, you are just wandering. Losing weight is not enough. It is becoming a fit, energetic person who runs marathons, who eats nourishing food, who feels confident in their own skin. Starting a business is not enough. It is providing value, solving a specific problem, and creating a life of financial freedom. The more vivid and specific you make your desired future, the more your brain starts to see it as a real possibility, rather than just a fuzzy dream. What is one thing you are clear on wanting to transform in your life right now? Segment 3: The Courageous Leap, the 5-second rule. Now, this brings us to the most crucial and often overlooked step in the transformation pattern, the courageous leap. It is inspired directly by Mel Robbins' incredible work. Transformation is not about waiting for motivation to strike. It is about taking immediate action in the face of resistance, even when you feel scared, uncertain, or just plain lazy. Think about it. How many times have you had an amazing idea, a strong impulse to do something good for yourself, but then hesitated? At hesitation, that little voice of doubt is your brain trying to pull you back to comfort. The courageous leap is doubt interrupting that pattern. It is about recognizing that feeling of an impulse and then, within 5 seconds, physically moving towards it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Joe. Send that email. Get out of bed. Put on your running shoes. Open that book. Speak that truth. Every single time you move within that 5-second window, you are literally teaching your brain that you are in charge, not your fear or your comfort zone. This is not about giant leaps. It is about micro actions that build momentum. If you have ever tried the 5-second rule, share your experience in the comments. Segment 4. Becoming the transformed self. The final piece of this pattern is realizing that transformation is not a destination. It is an identity shift. Every small action you take, every courageous leap you make, is not just a task. It is a vote for the person you are becoming. You do not wait to feel confident to act. You act to build confidence. You do not wait to feel like a healthy person to make healthy choices. You make healthy choices to become a healthy person. By consistently applying this pattern, identifying your gap, gaining clarity on your desired future, and taking courageous, immediate action, you are actively creating a new identity. You are literally reshaping your neural pathways and proving to yourself over and over again that you are capable of change. This is not a one-time event. It is an ongoing process of aligning your daily actions with the incredible person you are destined to become. So, the pattern is clear. Identify your transformation gap. Get crystal clear on your desired future. Take immediate, courageous action, even when scared, and through those actions, you become the person you are meant to be. This is the truth behind every life transformation, and now you know it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights into human potential, and check out my other videos on productivity and mindset. What is one transformation you are ready to start today? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.